Hey, have you seen the latest project our team is working on? It's a masterpiece.
No, I haven't. What's so special about it?
Well, the entire structure is crafted using tungsten inert gas welding, also known as TIG welding. It's a true work of art.
TIG welding. I've heard of it, but I don't know much about the process. Can you enlighten me?
Of course. TIG welding is a highly precise and versatile welding technique that uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. It's often used for welding thin materials, especially stainless steel and aluminum.
Sounds complex. How does it work?
Well, the tungsten electrode creates an electric arc that melts the base material. At the same time, an inert gas, typically argon, flows around the electrode, shielding the weld pool from atmospheric contamination.
Fascinating, but how do you control the heat and the weld pool so precisely?
That's where the skill comes in. The welder has to adjust the amperage, the filler metal feed rate, and the travel speed to get the perfect weld bead.
I can imagine that it requires a steady hand and a lot of practice.
TIG welding demands excellent hand-eye coordination and a deep understanding of the materials. But the results are stunning, strong, clean welds with minimal distortion.
I can see why you called it a masterpiece. It's like sculpting with metal, isn't it?
Precisely. And you know what else makes TIG welding so special? It's incredibly versatile. You can weld in all positions, flat, horizontal, vertical, or even overhead.
Overhead welding. That must be incredibly challenging.
It is, but with the right technique and protective gear, skilled TIG welders can create beautiful, intricate designs in any orientation.
Wow, I had no idea welding could be such an art form. This project has really opened my eyes to the beauty and complexity of TIG welding.